You want more? Is that what you want? You want more? Okay. You are obnoxious today. You are spoiled. Let's see it. She's not going to be able to get it up now. She's not going to be able to move my hand now. Oh. Okay. What do you want? Oh. I've made it where she can't move my hand. Okay. What do you want? Oh, now you can't move it. Now you're mad. Now you're mad. You're gonna make people come out. Now you're mad. I swear I wasn't gonna video because this is me and my dog's time, but I mean, come on. This face is so cute. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the face. Look at that face. She won't even respond to her name. Liza. Oh, Liza. Oh, no, she will. Oh, she's gone again. She's gone again. And what zen that belly rubs are. I don't know what place that dogs go to when they're getting belly rubs, but I wish I could go there. Seriously, this is really pathetic. I hope it brings happiness.